How's it going, everyone? I want to take a minute of your time to walk you through a beautiful NQ trade we caught this morning during the live. Well, I was watching the NQ chart. I ended up trading MNQ based off this setup. But anyways, let's just get right with it. So we waited on the 15-minute range to form here. Here was our breakout candle. You see how it's lower volume? For me, that invalidates the orb strategy for the day, at least to the downside. So now, what I was looking for, I want to see is push down, and I want to see is come back up and retest this area here around pre-market low for a possible trend entry. You can see it happened here. We was looking for a push down, and I want to see us come back up, retrace back up to around VWAP, that pre-market low area. We actually had this trade planned to add half a position here and the rest at that pre-market low. Stopped right above that 400 area. By the time I took my second ad on this trade, my average was around the 60s, okay? So we got in this, caught a nice move down, got a nice trim off in profits. I moved my stop down to right at my entry. Powell's about to speak. Pretty sure he still is speaking. He may be done, I'm not for sure. But it came back up, wicked, grabbed my stop in the 60s, and as you can see, did exactly what I wanted to for my next trim. My next trim would have been at low day. I'm okay with it. I managed my trade properly. I didn't move my stop. I only added to the trade one time as planned. And it's a nice green Monday for all of us. Love to see it. If you have any questions about this trade, feel free to drop them in the comments or just reach out to me. Instagram's probably the best place to reach me, and you can find all my socials at grizzlytrades.com. Appreciate you all for watching, and I will see you next time.